No. I got water in the backpack.
It's really hard to understand why the driver hit the biker and then just drove away.
This really just run into the back of me? Are you serious? Like, does this dude think that's funny? Seriously. Are you serious? Oh my god, dude.
Another situation in which a driver hits a biker without any signaling and then drives away. However, there is some excuse for the fact that the driver may have missed the biker. Difficult weather conditions and an attempt to overtake made by an undecided driver ended up pretty bad for this biker.
Het is niet zo, wij. Meu celular. Não, véi.
I need this much input. So it's like
When the biker noticed the dog entering the road, he had to take a quick decision.
difficult. Cool. Dadgummit, Gina. Dog. What's going on, man? Yeah, man, a dog was in the road right as I hit the corner, and I missed him, but I ended up sliding off. If I could just get it up and get it right there, I just need to see what damage is it. It don't look like it's too bad, so it look like I can get it up. All right. Yep. All right. And I think it's pretty in gear. All right. I'm trying to get in neutral. Just do this real quick. This is a huge help, man. I appreciate it, man. Oh, wait. Oh, sorry. Oh, man. Sorry. Oh, you good? Sorry, man. I'm sorry, man. I'm truly sorry about that. All right, I'm gonna have to hold the clutch while we pull it. All right, thank you. All right, cool, man. Get that down. All right. Whew, dude, sorry about your finger, man. I'm sorry. A little flustered, but sorry, man. Don't look too bad. Look like just some fairing damage. Gotcha. Okay, I can get to the house. I fell on my finger. I jammed it a little bit, but I think I'm gonna be okay though. Just a little fairing damage. I'm okay with that.
Yeah, it could have been a lot worse.
It could have been worse, yeah. Right, yeah. Exactly. Man, I appreciate it. I'm sorry about your finger, man. I just a little flustered, but oh, I think it let me double check. There we go, neutral. It'll run. Cool, man. Thank you.
No problem.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much.
The bikers were one of the few road users who stopped to shepherd the ducks to the other side of the road.
Ну как жалко, да, блин? Их, наверное, раздавит. Не надо. А что, мы их переведем как-то? Мы их, наверное, никак не переведем. Может как-то перевести, я хуй знаю. Она не даст, наверное. А? Как их перевести? Они носят что-то туда, они же не перейдут нихуя. А? Как-то туда надо, обратно вернуть. Может быть, а как мы их переведем? Мы их никак не переведем. Иди. Мы их, наверное, никак не переведем, утят. Можешь их отловить как-то руками? Во-во! Красавчик, давай! Ой! И куда их? Может, надо перейти аккуратненько?
Ну а как перейти?
А куда она отлетела? Где она? А ты не видел, куда она полетела? А, вон она, вон она. Вот они, наверное, сажай ее, она их, думаю, встретит. Как бы нам теперь обратно перейти?
The bikers didn't notice the cab driving behind them. Following the bikers' every move, the cab decided to react in a strong way.
My apologies.
Yeah, first knee or walk. You didn't see me behind you? Wheelie, and you're going right towards the sidewalk when you're doing your wheelie. And what's the speed limit here? 40. How fast you going? 81. Okay.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.